Alright, great new trains, guys. It's another new train. It's more new train. Look at this. The terminal 3 station to us with it. Look at this new train. Sci-fi. Look, sci-fi journeys. Say hi. See guys. And look at this new train.
The train bound for
This is
Westwood
awesome,
Interchange
guys.
Station parking facility is arriving. Please stand back from the doors.
Yes. It's 28 today. And I miss the schools. So look, new trains. Oh my god, it's
This
awesome.
train serves Domestic Terminal 2
I
and
love
Budget
this
Terminal,
new train. It's
International
guys.
Terminal 1, and
See, guys?
Eston Interchange Station, parking facility. Next stop, Domestic
Wow.
Terminal 2 and Budget Terminal.
Whoops. Here we go, sorry 5. Oh my gosh.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Alright, here we go.
Please hold on, we are leaving the station.
Here we go. Wee, this is nice. Wow, new trees. So guys, I'll get the guys. Reset.
The final stop.
This is fast, so wait.
Please hold on, we are approaching Domestic
Okay,
Terminal
that's
2 and
guys.
Budget Terminal. Please remember to take your personal belongings with you.
I love it, guys. That is awesome.
This
Well,
is
guys,
Domestic
let's go.
Terminal 2 and Budget Terminal.
Alright.
Next stop,
Yeah.
International Terminal 1.
At the domestic. Wow. Not with sweet paints. Some of it's with a basement, guys. So it's better, guys. So far, happy enjoys your guys' course. Okay, check this.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Let's check this. Oh wait, there goes the train right there.
Please hold on, we are leaving the station.
Oh wait, there it goes. Wow. That is awesome. Well guys, you guys of course. And that was fun. Let's wait there for the sound. Tinggal lihat terus Madika. Very sorry ini masih. Oh wait, what is your now? So But it's you guys of course. It's for now.